Okay, we did a little sanding the other day for some accent pieces. So I thought I would try one with just squares. And we have the backing board right here. And I sanded off all the edges that are going to be exposed. And then like here I didn't focus on these edges because they're not going to be exposed anyways. Except for when it sticks up higher than the other. I do want this sanded, so I have two of them. I thought they would hang kind of like this on the wall as accent pieces. And then I've also been playing around with the granite more. So here's Black Storm, and this is the thick. This is the 1.25 inch thick. So I also have a couple pieces I tried over here. This is a lore, and oh gosh, I can't remember what this one is. I think we can get it out yet. Yeah, I didn't screw. Mountain Mist. So I didn't put these two on yet. So my next thing is I'm going to hold these really tight and screw them from the back side into these holes here. Then when I put the board on the back to keep it flat on the wall, that'll be another screw into here, here, and here. So that'll solidify and keep it flat. And at the same time, I'll then caulk these in because we don't want them coming off. Now I'll caulk the backs onto the wood, but then after the oil dries, I'm going to caulk right along these ridges here. Maybe even caulk before I put it in. Either way, I need these in there really good. And then on the back side, I can caulk this little corner right here too. So now it's pretty heavy, but it's not outrageous. I mean, if you hang a mirror up, they're a lot heavier than this, twice as heavy. So I will use a good hanger to hold it. Now here's a smaller one. And the other thing I'm doing too is they're pretty sharp edges. So what I've been doing is, and surprisingly it works pretty good, is just sanding them off with my sandpaper, which is just old sandpaper from the belt sander. And you can, I don't know if you can see it, but it does take off the edge. You can see so I just trying to round it off just a little bit so it's not real sharp. So I did that on them already. This one had a little chip someplace. So I put a little silicone and pressed it down, and that's pretty much already. This is Delicatus. Very cool. You can see the mica. Very cool stone. These are just small 6 inch by 6 inch samples. It does, I am thinking about getting a wet saw though, so I can saw my own. That's pretty much where we're at. Oh, I did cut a whole bunch of diamonds over here. Different woods, cherry, black walnut. I think that's soft maple. Well, this is the black walnut. Sorry, this is the white walnut, the butternut. And then here's some white ash. So all different. Just a stack of diamonds that I can use for accent pieces, because I'm just kind of toying around and seeing what designs I can come up with and how many stones I can hang and still be reasonable weight, and will they stay in? That's the other question. So that's where we are with the accent pieces, accent wall art. But it's really cool combining granite. In this case it's quartzite with wood.